much, my dear. Thank you very much. Punam Shorts Vlog. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, Punam Shorts Vlog. Thank you so much. MD Official. Thank you so much. Very nice dress. Uday Sansari. Thank you. Legend Gaming. I want a warm hug. Guys, after 3 days, I will be in Philippines. Guys, please support my live when I will be in Philippines. After 3 days, I will be there. Thank you so much. I hope you will be there in my live. I feel nervous every day. Tell me first. Canada News Channel. I thank you so much po from Canada News Channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. 116 people, thank you. Mr. Lova, did you married to your boyfriend? Yeah, I married one person. He's my first love. He's my first boyfriend. He's my everything. You know, my husband, when I open my heart, when I open my feelings, this only my husband. And he's my husband, he's my first love, he's my first everything. That is the truth, really. Hey, give me a nice hug. Really, guys, before marriage, only I have one boyfriend, only my husband. Do people still love each other? Tanver, show your arms. Thank you so much, Paunam Shorts Vlog. You are sweet and beautiful, dear. I thank you so much, Paunam Vlog. Are you a YouTuber, dear? Are you a YouTuber? Oh, she's YouTuber. I will put you a jacket. You want to drop link? You can drop your link. Mostly here from India. I will watch your video, dear. Oh, only you have one video, but I will watch. Yeah, you are from India, but only you have one video, my dear. Why only you have one video, Paunam? 105 people, thank you so much. Yes. Thank you, Paunam. Shukriya. Shukriya. Rito, thank you. RJ, thank you so much. Gamer Deep. Hey, can you give me cool this hug? Rahul, thank you. Shashi Kumar, thank you. Rahul, thank you. Fun City, turn back. Please support my channel. Yeah, your channel. Only you have one video, my dear. Drop your link. I already you have moderators. Save your white tissue armpit. Manoj, thank you, Manoj. Drop your link, Panoma. Gufal, thank you. Mr. Lova, thank you. Legend Gaming, thank you. You just broke my heart. Marvin, thank you so much, Marvin. Legend, why you broke your heart? Legend Gaming. I like your sari, Panoma. Sami, thank you. Marnuj, thank you. Northeastern Explorer, thank you for coming. RV, you looks really gorgeous. Thank you so much. Junaid, thank you. I subscribe your channel, Paunam. Aaron, thank you so much sa Aaron. You are the most beautiful woman my eyes have ever seen. Oh my God, don't joke, my dear. MD Lukman, thank you so much. Guys, do you like me? Gamer Deep, Kansab, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Shokun Khan. RB, you look really hot, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much.